Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to check login activity on Facebook. If you want to see where your Facebook account has been accessed, you can view your login activity from the Account Center. This helps you spot unfamiliar devices or locations and secure your account if needed. So, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Select that. Then from here, select Settings. Next, at the top under your account, select Account Center. Next, so you can see Password and Security, select on that. Then from here, scroll down and look for where you're login. Under Security Checks, you'll see where you're login. Click on that. Next, choose your Facebook account to see all active sessions, including the device, location, and last active time. For example, this account. So this is where you can see your account login activities. So you're currently logged in on these devices. If you notice a device you don't recognize, just tap it and select logout at the top. Then click logout to confirm the action. Then consider changing your password if you suspect unauthorized access. So your login activity may include device type like phone, tablet, or computer, browser or app use, approximate location, date and time of the last activity, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching.